What are the advantages and disadvantages of joint custody? New York Family Law Group. Judges in New York often favor joint custody arrangements when possible in divorce cases. However, joint custody is not always the best option. Explaining joint legal versus physical custody. First, it's important to distinguish joint legal custody from joint physical custody. Joint legal custody, this means that both parents share equal responsibilities for making decisions about childcare, schooling, religion, and other such life decisions. Joint physical custody, this refers to a child spending equal or nearly equal time residing with both parents, for example, spending 4 nights with one parent, and 3 nights with another. Joint legal custody and joint physical custody are awarded separately. For example, it's entirely possible for one spouse to have sole physical custody, but for both spouses to share joint legal custody. The advantages of joint custody. Joint custody has some obvious benefits, which is why New York courts often seek joint custody arrangements between divorcing parents, when possible. Both parents maintain a role in the child's upbringing, both parents spend the same amount of time with their child, and in the case of joint legal custody, they make decisions about the child's life together. The child enjoys a more stable environment. When it works out well, a joint custody arrangement provides a more stable, peaceful living environment for the child. Splits up responsibility more equally, because both parents are sharing the responsibilities, work, and expenses of childcare equally. This makes things easier for both parties. The disadvantages of joint custody. Joint custody has some drawbacks, too. Here are a few reasons that joint custody arrangements don't always work out. Scheduling and planning can be difficult. When both parents share equal parenting time, a lot more coordination is necessary for transporting the child, planning pickups and drop-offs, and other such tasks. Arguments and conflicts often arise. If the parents have a contentious relationship, joint custody can actually make arguments and conflicts worse, since both parents have equal rights over the child. Kids have to move between homes frequently. Some children may have a hard time moving between 2 homes, since they may have to move personal possessions like school documents, sports gear, and other things each time they move between their parents' homes. Creating a plan for parenting time. If you plan on seeking joint custody, one of the best things you can do is sit down with your spouse and work out a plan for parenting time. What other options are there? If you do not share joint custody of your children with your ex-spouse, one parent or the other will be awarded full legal and/or physical custody of the children, based on the determination of the court. At New York Family Law Group, we specialize in helping parents come up with mutually agreeable solutions for child custody. Our goal is to put your children first, and break the cycle of divorce. Contact us online to schedule an appointment, and get the assistance you need as you come up with a joint parenting plan.